Hey guys, we're back.
Yes, finally. Sorry, it's been like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
3 weeks zoomed by, guys. We didn't even realize that it had been 3 weeks since our last video, and we are so freaking sorry.
Really sorry.
Who is that? Javi and Joe? You guys are terrible people.
But we have been really busy, but still, that's no excuse.
Yeah, so we promised from here on out we will be posting videos at least once a week. Guaranteed, guys.
Anyways, let's catch you guys up. Last time you saw us, we were just completing the demolition of our baby.
Quickly after that, we started to uncover some problem areas that needed a ton of reinforcement. Guys, we are officially going to start tearing down some of the exterior and the frame so we can begin to rebuild it and reinforce it. So first thing first, we're gonna start right here with probably the most important part, the step and the entrance and this whole entire corner that's partially falling apart.
The problem is right here at the entrance, and we noticed this the moment we stepped on it the very first time, that this is kind of just sunken. And so the goal for today is to take out the door, take out all these panels, and try to reinforce it somehow so it can be nice and sturdy and straight. That's the goal.
Borrowed some things from Dad. Luckily, we have some wood from a previous construction job that we're able to use. So we just got some 2x4s and 2x6s and chopped them into 2x2s with a table saw. And I think we're ready to go, so we can start reinforcing the frame and the floor. Let's get started with at least this corner. The best thing ever. Oh yeah.
Alright, so in order not to remove these completely, because they're still pretty good, we cut them in order to take out this bottom plywood. And we're going to replace it with a 2x4. Now we have to cut the plywood to size, and then we're going to set it down, and then put the 2x4 right here. And we should be set.
Okay, so but once we get this into place, we're gonna have to drill, boom,
Up.
Yeah. So it'll catch the 2x4 right here, and then these right here, I tell you, we're gonna have to make some L brackets to hold these into, yeah, to make them as solid as we possibly can.
We are adding this one 2x4 all the way down the back end to really reinforce it and straighten out the floor since it's warping so badly. We are adding this for added support.
No, we gotta hit it that way.
So since we reinforced this back area with this 2x4, we are drilling at an angle. So while Javier is outside reinforcing that area, I'm in here installing the brackets.
For the most part, we were on a roll, getting shit done until a cracked head. Not good. We had to stop construction to focus on the engine and finding a new head.
So this water leaking right here, guys, the valve is not sitting right.
Joanne's dad and I went to several junkyards to try to find a match, and no luck.
That's the roller rockers. People might be able. But those that look like crap.
Yeah. Then I started scouring the internet and found a website called carparts.com. It's a super cool site that asks for the year, make, and model of your vehicle. Then you can search by car part, and it searches a huge database of junkyards across the US and finds you the closest match. And eureka! We found a match in Colorado. We called them up, they confirmed the head wasn't cracked, and they sent it over.
So now that we have our part and we feel comfortable resuming construction, let's show you what we've been up to the last couple of weeks.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you.
We redid this entire step and this back skirting, including the other side as well. Hey there, Stubby.
And we also reinforced this section by adding this 2x4. While it may not look like we've done a whole lot, we have done a bunch of small improvements that really make this thing feel a lot more sturdy. And we're getting ready to start the interior soon, so we need a really good solid base.
So this is where we're gonna end this vlog because tomorrow is supposed to be a really tough day weather-wise.
Yeah, it's already getting cold.
Yeah, freaking freezing standing here. But we are expecting rain overnight and potentially snow. So we are going to weatherproof this baby at least as much as possible to prepare her for tonight's rain/snow. So let's do that first. Dale. So with that, guys, we'll see you guys in the next one. And if you like the video, you know the drill. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and all that jazz. See you later, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Love ya.
Okay, that's good.
So if you remember, every time we would step up, it would go under our weight. So it was falling apart.
How did it go?
Oh no.
Get another one. Come on, Javi. Concentrate. Concentrate.
Otro.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Please don't lose another screw.
Hold on. Maybe he needs some help here.
No!
My turn.
Let's bring in the professionals.
I gotta work for that 18-pack you guys brought.
Faster.
Let's bring in the professionals.
You jinxed me.
No, I think you're
I
too
shouldn't have
far
brought out
out.
the camera.
Look, you're too far.
Mira. Y así lo haces, Javier.
Así lo haces.
Así de fácil, así de...
Banana.
That's what I get. I just hit my head on this. That's what I get.
Leave alone.